Hi guys, welcome back to this new episode of Bolha's Garage, and this is our first episode since the first test drive, which my heart is still bumping. However, some adjustments needs to be done, and one of the main issues that I found during the test drive was in fact the chain tensioner in this side, in this chain actually, in this side. I have already built a chain tensioner here, but it's not doing its purpose. So what I think I must do is to change that tensioner and build it one with more effectiveness. So let's go and do it. Hi guys, so as you may know, the front brakes are still very bad. So my friend Bruno was here and he in fact gave me some tips in order to improve the front brakes. That's my next step, it's what I'm trying to do before test it again, okay? Hi everyone! So, I managed to get the front brakes to work. It works very good. I actually kind of used the original system. The secret was to use the moving axle as the original moving axle of the brake lever, in the end brake lever. And I think it works very good. The recoil is very good. I just have to tune it. I have to go and drive it to tune it. But actually now, before I go and test it again, I want to continue to build the body, the protections. For example, I have to put some protections in this part because when I was testing it, what actually happens, my foot was here and I touched the tire and almost hurt myself. So I want to build some protection here and also in the other side, so I can already take a passenger. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use some cardboard to some mock-up and then cut the actual protection. Okay, so let's go.
Shut up and sit down. Shut up and sit down.
Hi guys. So I'm taking a break from completing the bodywork because I received it a few weeks ago the seat belts for the buggy. I have two of them, one from each side. I think they are equal. Yes, they are equal. Just gonna open one of them. Yes. They look very nice. So I'm gonna focus now on installing it. So I finish the seat belts on both sides. They look very good. And now I will resume the body construction, okay? Okay, so I finished this part of the body. I put the panels all around this lower part of the buggy. I did the same thing in this side and in the other side. This is more or less where how it's gonna be. I have to put this tape on the sharp edges, but after, in the end, I will put some seam sealer or something like that in order to eliminate those sharp edges. Next step, it's one of the things I like to do the least, which is to change tires and wheels. I bought these tires, they are in second hand, but in fact they are almost new. So they are not exactly the same measure I had, but a little bigger, but I think it would be okay. So next step, change tires. Keep with me because this is gonna be a pain. Okay, let's go. Like I said, this is one of the jobs I hate the most. I had to make this type of puller in order to get the wheel off. Let's see if it works. As I expected, it was a pain to take the old wheel from the rim. After being hours and hours trying to get it off, I found a very easy method on the YouTube, and I'll show you some pictures how I did it, and it was easy as hell. It was like 20 seconds to get it off. But then I put the tire on the rim. And now the issue I had after that, it was I couldn't get the tire to sit on the rim. I tried everything. I tried a strap. I tried using that brake cleaner trick with fire. Nothing worked. Then I got it to a tire shop, and they did it in 1 minute. So now they are good. And now what I'm going to do is just put the wheels back on the axle. guys, this is it for this episode. I was expecting to have some footage of me testing the buggy, but in matter of fact, this episode is getting too long. I got to do a lot of things, but the buggy is ready for testing, and I hope in the next video we have a lot of footage of it ripping the dirt. Okay, so thank you for watching it, and see you next time. Bye bye.